And there it's lit. Well, hello there. This is Rich from Housebarons.com. Our family renovates houses. And today we're going to talk to you about what you need to do if you've got a gas grill that won't ignite. And we're going to give you 4 solutions. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. Right, Claire? It was nice and sunny just a few minutes ago, but as soon as I got all the video gear out and I started making the video, it started raining. And that's the way it goes. The show must go on. I've removed my cooking grates and I wanted to show you these burners. So solution number 1 is the burners themselves could be clogged. And so there they are. The gas comes out of these little holes in the burners. And what can happen over time is insects can build nests actually in your burners and they can clog them all up. And in addition, debris or remnants from your food can drip down in there. And so what you can do, remove these, and then you can take a toothpick and just put it down in each hole. Remove whatever debris is in the holes, which is preventing the gas from coming up through the holes. And then just use a paper towel, wipe everything clean, and reinstall them, and your grill might be working fine. So solution 1 is just make sure all your burner holes are clear so gas can easily come up through the burners. This is a Char-Broil gas grill. My brother and I love them. We each have one, and we have one at the lake house where we do property management. We recently posted a 3-year review on this Char-Broil gas grill. We'll put a link to that video right there. Earlier this summer, my igniter just stopped working, and I was surprised to find that the Char-Broil grills actually have a battery that works the igniter. My previous grills just had like this little spark igniter, and there was no battery or anything. It's just that over time they would wear out and you would need to replace them. So on the Char-Broil grill, you just open it up, and then they've got a little icon of a battery, and then the battery itself is actually right in this little housing. So you just unscrew it, and then you would simply replace this battery. And that very well could be your problem. That's what my problem was. My grill's igniter has been working perfectly since I replaced the battery. So that could be as easy as your fixes today. There are wire leads that attach to where the battery is. And so all the leads have to be clean. Make sure that all the connections don't have any debris on them. And that might be your problem. There could be interference with the battery. If your igniter still isn't working, solution number 3 would be to actually replace the igniter. So you would order a new one, and then that's going to be for another video, the actual replacement. Basically, you would just disassemble the old igniter housing, get the old igniter out, and then replace it with the new one. And then it should be working great. We're Amazon affiliates, and we're going to put a link in the description below so you can order your igniter right from Amazon. All right, so if you're the one hosting the big cookout this evening and your grill isn't starting and you're in panic mode, well, at least on this grill, on this Char-Broil grill, they offer you an option of manually starting your grill. The Char-Broil grills have a very cool built-in feature, and it is actually a match holder that is hanging from a chain underneath the grill here on the side. And there it is. All right, so we're going to use an old-fashioned match to light this grill. This is the match holder. It's got this little curled part, and I find it easiest to put a screwdriver in it, flathead screwdriver, and then that will open up the holder so you can get your match in there. Make sure your grill is open before you try to light it. We're going to light our match and then turn on the gas, and we're going to turn on the burner that's closest to this hole that's under here. And there it is. So that ignited quite easily. So even if the igniter doesn't work, you can light it manually. It'll save the day for your big cookout. Char-Broil specifically says to use a match, but I find like one of these long lighters to work much easier. because you don't have to fool around with the match holder and try to get that match lit, especially in the rain. So in this case, we're just going to put the long lighter through that same hole. We'll turn this gas on. And there it's lit. Now wouldn't you know it, the sun's coming out again now that I'm done shooting this entire video. Oh well, that's a wrap. Alright, hope this video helps. If you got anything out of it, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out our channel and we appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thank you very much for viewing, and we'll see you in this next video.